Alright, here we are at the soggy Lorain County Fair. If you Google Lorain County Fair, you'll see some pictures of what happened here. They got like 7 inches of rain. Cars were flooded. Wasn't good. Shut down the fair. But they are open today, and we are doing the tractor pull tonight. And there's our lineup. 7,600, 4,000, 8,000, 3,600, and 5,000. I'm gonna put the 5,000, 7,600 on the dyno, see what they got. 85 horsepower limit. So we'll see. Alright, we got the 7,600 up to 84 horsepower. So we can do with the 5,000. We gotta turn it down. Alright, try again. Not bad. Alright, we're all weighed in. The only one that's iffy is the 7,600. It weighs good with me on it, but I don't know. Bill might be over. You might have to drive it.
Which one?
No. I'm gonna try to get this thing to make weight for Bill. Take the front weight bracket off. That's got to be 30 pounds. We'll see. Wait. Hold on. Yeah. What do you think, Chase?
Georgetown.
How you gonna do?
Great.
Pretty good?
Syracuse.
What's that?
Go Syracuse. Look at this stud.
Yeah,
Georgetown.
I couldn't find my Syracuse shirt, so I would have wore that instead. Go Syracuse. Niece goes to Georgetown. Gotta harass her a little bit. There we go, 5,500 pound class. I don't think a lot of people showed up due to big fair shut down yesterday. Pool was supposed to be yesterday, but Chase is number 11. He's holding second. Oh god, he's already pulling a wheelie. What the heck? I think he's at 119. I don't know. I think Dave's in the lead. He's got the lead now. I think David is in third right now. Let's see what this one does. I think David's in fourth now. Which is one out of the money. I couldn't hear what it was. Chase, you got sixth.
Oh, I know.
You only pay up to third.
That's fine. I'll just take David's money.
There you go. Hi, Julia. What's that? Georgetown.
Hi, Jesse.
Oh, yeah, yeah. You got beat by a Fordson and a Massey. Well, you got third.
I pulled for Jesse, Jenny, Naomi, Caroline, Maddie, Sarah.
Oh, there you go. Uh-oh.
And we'll be official when they get all that done. No more live. Columbia Station, Airport 7600.
What did I do?
You lost.
I know, I laughed.
Right now, yeah.
Sweet.
Number
You
3.
know why it is? Because I didn't wear my Georgetown shirt.
Yeah, that's right.
Because it was dirty.
Uh-huh.
The power went out last night.
Yeah.
Oh,
Not even close. Well, you're in second.
I beat Bill.
Yeah.
That last guy beat everything.
Yeah. I think you beat me. What's up with these tractors now stopping? Huh. Somehow Bill made the dyno, I don't know how. It's up to you to bring home a trophy for us tonight.
Yeah, look at what I'm pulling again.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, it's over.
I'm done.
Wow.
230 feet, .53.
Holy crap, man, he's right up in there.
230.53.
Let's see if he makes the lineup. Oh, he's making the lineup. Nice. Unofficially, Josh placed 6th. We'll see. Not a bad night. Dave got 3rd. Chase got a 6th. But of course that class only paid up the 3rd place. Got screwed, Chase. No. I don't think the 5,000 and 7,600 didn't place at all. 7,600 went from 4th place in Medina to almost last at this class. I don't know how that is. And Josh got 6th, the 8,000. So that was a pretty big class too. So did pretty good. Not bad.
We got 2 more tractors in this class.